Chapter 8 Air and Water. Let's learn. Every empty space is filled with a mixture of gases called air. It is all around us, but we cannot see it. We can feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. The heat of the sun causes wind to blow. Composition of air. Air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% is contributed by other gases, including carbon dioxide. Apart from gases, air also contains water vapor, dust particles, and even germs. Oxygen is needed by animals to breathe. It is also needed for burning. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food. Importance of air in life. Importance of air lies in the fact that it is the source of life on Earth. There is no life in our solar system without it, as seen on other planets. The uses of air and its applications include 1. Essential supplier of energy. All living beings, including plants and animals, are dependent on air for generation of valuable life energy. 2. Air is a conducting medium for sound. We can hear the sound of speech, cry, noise, etc. only in the presence of air. This is because air is a good conductor of sound. Without air, we do not or cannot hear sounds. Nugget. Even the music instruments make use of resonance and bass with the alteration of air and sound combination. 3. Air maintains temperature on the land. During summers, when there is abundant sunshine, the temperature of Earth's surface rises rapidly, but slowly on ocean or sea surface. This is because solid surface gets heated faster than liquid water. So air which gets heated on the soil rises, and cold air from sea surface moves towards the soil surface, thus minimizing the rise in temperature. 4. Air brings monsoon. We have rains in the rainy or monsoon season. This occurs due to the currents of wind, air, across the Earth's surface. Lack of wind can delay monsoons and thereby deplete water levels for drinking, irrigation, and other uses in our daily lives. 5. Air helps in transport. Air transport by aeroplanes and helicopters has become into widespread use. Even for birds and insects, air is the chief mode of transport. Air transport is quicker than land and water transport. 6. Air helps in drying. Land gets wet by rains and it is dried by heat and air. The air on the immediate wet surface is very moist. So these moist layers of air are replaced by less moist or dry layers of air. The new dry layer on the surface takes up moisture from the wet surface and the cycle continues till the surface dries. Thus, air helps in drying by the maintenance of humidity. Even our clothes, when washed, get dried in the same manner. 7. Air helps in normalizing temperature. A piece of ice melts due to air and hot piece of metal cools due to air. Here, air acts as a heat conductor and tries to bring these materials to the normal surrounding temperature. Hence, the phenomenon of ice